Butt cheeks.
I love it.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic. Cleansing my soul of addiction for now. Cause we're falling apart. Tension between us like picket fences. You've got issues that I won't mention for now. Cause we're falling apart. Touching up from miles away. Messing with the things you say. Passing on my mind only I can make touching up from miles away. Messing with the things you say. Passing on my mind only I can make
What a beautiful engine. Two more. Yep, local Cub Scouts. Bob's Well-Bred Bakery. It's a popular spot here in Los Alamos.
Nobody's ever seen anything like it.
But that's about it.
I think they had like.
Oh, just for the upkeep.
I see. Yeah, just hard to use. So it looks like it.
Did it? It sounds like a alley shell. More like a suction
There we go. Okay. Let's see if we get any smoke. No smoke. I don't hear it, but
It's pretty simple, still the original.
take a spin and I'll be about 40. Dude, I think I might get to 40 before they do. Oh yes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Wow, a tachometer! Yes! I get to experience where we are in the rev range. Okay, here we go. Hi, where's reverse on this? No, you gotta lift it. Wow, very responsive throttle. Oh my gosh, you barely touch it and it bumps up. You hear that little split? She farted. Let's get into the hills. Wow, okay, so this thing just has power where I don't know how to finish that sentence. Like I shifted early, basically. It just wants to accelerate. I don't think this is it. I'm so light on the throttle. It's like the more I let off, the faster it wants to go. The brakes are softer. That means that's how loud Bruce is, then it means I'm only ever shifting at like 4 or 4.5. So I've actually got a lot more RPM on Bruce than I think I do. Sound. I think it's just those Webers are so spectacular because we're getting good induction sounds, whereas she's gonna feel so good on the turns. I can tell. I can just tell. It does help.
Wow. You should just get on the bridge so we can take a picture of it.
So. Going out. Webers make gobs of power. They're a little tricky to dial in, and the side drafts are 3 times as expensive as the down drafts. Choked it out. I'm gonna let this guy pass, and then we're gonna do a proper send-off. Ooh. Ooh. That sounds nice.
So thoughts on Bruce? Driving back to back, extremely comfortable. You could drive this car across country, no problem. It's smooth, it's quiet, and it has surprising amount of torque.
Good.
This is a great cruiser. I just it makes me realize I need to rebuild my seats. You could probably tell.
That's the only thing. Your steering's nice. This
your
is
steering,
sloppy.
Yeah, yours is set very loose. Mine's set almost over tight. We're at
I like
extreme
that.
ends.
I like that.
It's
Can-
twitchy though.
How do we? Well, it wanders or what?
You can adjust it at the box. It's not that hard to do, but
Right,
there's
right.
there's a trick to it.
I just rebuilt this box, and so
I did- I
I
did-
set
I
it, and I
rebuilt
was like,
that.
"This looks good."
I rebuilt that one. I rebuilt it. I set it to the spec preload, and then I went a quarter turn more.
I'm gonna try that. So you recommend a quarter?
Yeah, just because I knew that everything, the bushings were I knew they were gonna break in. I felt like I could just drive this off in the sunset, but my car, I feel like it's fun for a day, but at the end of the day, you're good to walk away from it.
Sarah really liked it.
No, I mean it's just,
Yeah.
it's kind of noisy. It's much more involved driver experience.
Yeah. You feel connected.
Yeah. How'd you like the carburetors?
Oh, I want them. They're so just, and the throttle, it's weird. I don't know how to describe. Like you let off and it seems to want to go more, and then it's got a nice on-off feel. It's just, I'm gonna have to digest a little bit.